Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand. And sure to click the link in the description and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Get our digital ebook and course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. It's going to teach you from A to Z in regards to building a successful business online and start building true wealth with assets that we control with our companies. Today we're going to be speaking about unlocking unlimited leads. Today is March 9, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Golden rule: make money, work hard through sound investing. Today's title is unlocking unlimited leads, harnessing the power of paid advertising online. I'm going to show you by the end of this talk how to create unlimited leads for any type of business. So if you're starting out from zero right now, you have no assets, you never made money from home using the internet and using marketing and systems to make the sales for you on autopilot, then let me show you exactly by the end of this video how to do that and at the end of this podcast. Of course, we're also live on Kick right now, so that's why we have a community that is watching this as I'm recording the podcast. I'm showing them how to create passive income through creating a podcast because it's a way that we can have digital assets being listened to and bringing us money all the time. In as much we have calls of actions embedded in all of our content that we create so that we can bring in unlimited leads every day through organic traffic and pay advertising. In today's digital age, generating leads in it's the lifeblood of any business. Whether we are building a startup or an established corporation, the ability to attract potential customers and convert them into loyal clients is essential for growth. While organic methods like SEO and content marketing are valuable, they often take time to yield results. Pay advertising, on the other hand, offers a more immediate and scalable solution to drive targeted traffic and generate unlimited leads online. Number one, understanding the landscape. Pay advertising online encompasses a variety of platforms, each with its own unique audience and targeting options. From search engines like Google to social media giants such as Facebook and LinkedIn, businesses have a plethora of options to choose from based on their target demographic and advertising goals. Number two, crafting a compelling offer. Before diving into pay advertising, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of our target audience and what sets our business apart. Crafting a compelling offer that resonates with our audience's needs and desires is essential for capturing their attention and driving conversions. Whether it is a limited time discount, a free trial, or a valuable piece of content, our offer should provide tangible value and compel users to take action. Number three, choosing the right platforms. With numerous advertising platforms available, it is important to select the ones that align with our business objectives and target audience. Google Ads is ideal for capturing users actively searching for products or services related to our industry, while social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram are great for targeting specific demographics based on interest, behavior, and demographics. LinkedIn is particularly effective for B2B businesses looking to reach professionals in specific industries or job roles. Number four, implementing targeted campaigns. Once we have chosen our advertising platforms, it is time to create targeted campaigns that resonate with our audience. This involves crafting compelling ad copy, selecting eye-catching visuals, and defining precise targeting parameters based on factors such as location, demographics, interest, and online behavior. A/B testing different ad variations can help optimize performance and maximize ROI, or also known as return on investment. Number five, optimizing for conversions. Driving traffic to our website is only half the battle. To convert leads into customers, it is essential to optimize our landing pages for conversion. This includes creating clear and compelling calls to action, minimizing distractions, and providing seamless user experiences across all devices. Additionally, implementing tracking pixels and analytic tools can help monitor campaign performance and identify areas for improvement. Number 6, scaling for success. As our campaigns gain traction and generate leads, it is important to continuously monitor and optimize our advertising efforts for maximum impact. This involves analyzing key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition, and adjusting our strategies accordingly. Scaling successful campaigns and relocating budget to high-performing channels can help drive sustained growth and unlock unlimited leads for any type of business. In conclusion, paid advertising online offers businesses a powerful and scalable solution for generating unlimited leads daily and driving growth. By crafting compelling offers, choosing the right platforms, sales funnels, and implementing targeted campaigns, businesses can attract high-quality leads and convert them into loyal customers. With continuous optimization and scaling, the potential for success is virtually limitless in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. Today, we have all the tools in front of us, so take advantage of the information that we're sharing here on our channels, and of course inside of our digital courses, where you're going to find the tools, resources, network, the community to help you embark in this journey of entrepreneurship. You're going to learn how to build a business from scratch. You're going to learn how to acquire a business that is already existed, that is already in business. You're going to learn how to raise capital, how to invest in different asset classes, how to utilize the new rules of money to become wealthy and create true wealth. It's all about creating total freedom in the lifestyle that we desire, and have that lifestyle be paid with the income that is coming from the assets that we are controlling on our asset column with our companies. Remember, we must create wealth on the right side of the cash flow circle, because that is where the business owner and the inside investor operates, or the master investor. The business owner, we control systems, we own systems, and we get paid even when we're not working, because our systems are doing the selling and telling for us. And then the inside investor or a master investor, our job is to make money work hard through sound investing. As we get wealthy from our assets, from our digital assets, or any type of asset is bringing us excess of cash flow, and then now we have to reinvest that back into another asset in a different asset class, okay, so that we can multiply our wealth and continue to bring in more infinite return on investment. That means when we have no money into the deal, we recoup the entire capital invested initially back, and we still control the deal, control the debt if there's any debt into the deal, and we still receive passive income every single day or every single week whenever we collect the money. But that asset continues to pay us even when we don't have any money of our own invested in the deal. And that's infinite return on investment. That is money for nothing. That's what we're striving for every time we are investing here inside our community. We help our members to understand how to reach that level of infinite return on investment. That's when we print the money legally for free, instantly from thin air. Okay, we want to have cash cows. We want to have freedom units on our asset column that is pumping excess of passive income into our pockets. I hope that you enjoyed today's podcast. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. Click the link, join our inner circle. We have 3 ebooks right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. Today, crypto is the new money in town, so we must understand how to utilize it to become wealthier, because now we can invest in a cryptocurrency, and the gain we can use it to pay each other or to buy things that we want or buy another asset, right? So we can utilize that gain immediately in the form of money, because it's a currency, and other businesses are accepting crypto too as a form of payment, and the governments around the world are also accepting crypto as their new currency. So remember, entrepreneurship is all about being flexible, adaptable, and we have to keep learning every day. Entrepreneurship and financial education is something that we don't graduate from. It's a lifetime commitment. All right? So I'll talk to you on the next podcast. I appreciate you being here, spending time with me, and of course, thank you for your business. Stay extraordinary and wealthy, bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles at work in our economies. Bye for now.